Hello and welcome back at a new video of Banks and Insurance Jobs. In today's video, we will be discussing the differences between a traineeship and an internship. Let's get started. Are you looking to kickstart your career? Traineeships and internships are popular choices for gaining practical experience and developing crucial skills. However, it's essential to understand the differences between traineeships and internships to make informed career decisions. In this video, we'll explore the differences between traineeships and internships, helping you choosing the right path and maximize your professional growth. Traineeships and internships provide valuable opportunities for practical experience in the professional world. A traineeship is a structured program that offers recent graduates or individuals seeking specific skills and knowledge the chance to undergo practical training and development in a particular field. On the other hand, an internship is a short-term work opportunity that allows students or recent graduates to gain hands-on experience in a specific industry or field. 1. Duration and time frame. Understanding the duration and time frame is crucial when considering traineeships and internships. Traineeships typically require a longer commitment, lasting from several months to a couple of years. This extended period allows participants to delve deep into their chosen profession and acquire specialized skills. Internships, on the other hand, are shorter in duration, ranging from a few weeks to a few months. Their flexibility enables students to fit them into their academic schedules and gain exposure to various aspects of an industry. 2. Learning objectives and focus. Traineeships and internships differ in their learning objectives and focus. Traineeships aim to provide structured training and development, focusing on honing specific skills and acquiring in-depth knowledge relevant to a particular profession or industry. They offer a comprehensive learning experience that prepares individuals for their chosen career path. Internships, on the other hand, have a broader focus. They provide an opportunity to apply theoretical knowledge in real-world scenarios and gain practical insights into different aspects of an industry or field. 3. Compensation and benefits. Consideration of compensation and benefits is important when evaluating traineeships and internships. Traineeships are often paid positions offering financial support to trainees during their training period. Additionally, traineeships may provide non-financial benefits such as mentorship, professional networking opportunities, and a clear career progression path. Internships may vary in terms of compensation, with some being paid, unpaid, or offering stipends. Regardless of financial compensation, internships offer valuable networking opportunities, exposure to industry professionals, and potential recommendation ladders. 4. Eligibility and entry requirements. Eligibility and entry requirements differ for traineeships and internships. Traineeships commonly require specific educational backgrounds or qualifications. They are typically sought after by recent graduates or individuals looking to gain specialized skills in a specific profession. Internships, on the other hand, are more accessible to students, including those currently studying. Internships may not always require specific qualifications, making them available to a broader range of candidates. In conclusion, both traineeships and internships provide valuable opportunities for skill development, industry exposure, and career advancement. By understanding the differences between traineeships and internships, you can make informed decisions aligned with your career goals. Traineeships offer structured training, long-term commitments, and specialized skills tailored to specific professions. Internships provide shorter-term experience, broader industry exposure, and the chance to apply theoretical knowledges in real-world settings. Choose the path that best suits your career aspirations and embark on a journey of professional growth and success. Thank you for listening. If you want to read the information, you can find a link to the article in the description box. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and to follow Banks and Insurance Jobs on our social media to stay up to date on the latest vacancies and career advice.